Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. You know, I teach you how to take active income, those driving gigs, those expediting gigs, those courier jobs, flip it and turn it into passive income, help you level out the 9 to 5 rat race. You know we about that. Back with another banger, active income, driving opportunity, non-medical emergency transportation, NEMT. I know you've been seeing this around, new industry kind of centered around medical courier. Instead of you driving and picking up items, blood samples, COVID tests, anything of that nature, you're actually picking up people from their homes, taking them to the doctor's appointments, taking them from the hospitals and the doctor's appointments back home. Straight, easy, straight like that. All you need is a sedan, SUV, or van, 4-door vehicle. You up through there. All right. So, name of this company is Aryv, Aryv. I just got signed up today. Going through the background information process. So I'll let you know how that goes in the update video. But I got to bring you the information first, so you guys can apply, and you might can get on ahead of me and let me know how it is. So we're going to take a look at the website, take a look at some pay structures, some of the do's and don'ts with this industry, and how you can possibly make this your own business outside of this app or outside of this company. All right, so let's hop on into the laptop and see what's going on. All right, we in here live from the app now. Aryv, your transportation, our technology. So like I was saying, this company is a non-emergency medical transport, NEMT, app-based company. What they do, you pick up people, moving from point A to point B, routing the care, routing people, not just a call center, perfect fleet. So this is, all the things that they provide for the customers and for the clients. We're here to learn about the driving information. But like I said, with all these apps, all you need to do is just go straight down to the bottom, go to opportunities, or they have one at the top. I put my email address, and then I got sent a link to fill out additional information, higher payouts, regular work, make a difference. So you're doing good, you're doing good in the hood, helping people out, helping our elders, our ancestors get to point A to point B safely. Average earners are $27.50 an hour. Now, you are driving your own vehicle, so you're going to take out fuel and maintenance from that. So that doesn't necessarily equate to $27.50, but it is very high for a non-emergency medical transport or courier business driver. 15 daily scheduled trips. Once you get rolling, so 15 trips. I think you get paid per mile with this. So actually going to be doing some driving. Get paid per mile. Let's say paying very high mileage. We're going to try to figure out how much per mile, but I looked at these videos here, and they kind of go over what the daily gig is, what it's about, what the company is about. And they did mention that $27.50 an hour rate. So here I am. Got some information here. Now this is the back office. Turn the light on, turn the light off. You can schedule your availability, schedule your off days, times you work. Very, very cool website. I bet the app is even more user-friendly and easier to use. You got chat features. You got your credentials, your different vehicles, so you can have different vehicles listed on here. You can really, really make this your own business, your own company, guys. Remember, be your own boss here. I'm going to show you how to do that and how to make the most out of these driving gigs and driving apps. So that's, some of the back office. But it's all good. Once I finish up all the paperwork on the back end, I'm going to get rolling. do a video update on me rolling out through the city, picking up people and taking them to the doctor's office. Now, Indeed, you know we love Indeed. Yes, indeed. This estimate of 39 to 50 a year. That's a big range. Here in Decatur, Georgia. Check out some reviews. Flexible schedule, great for time off. You like working for free. Ooh. You receive daily schedule for riders to pick up or drop off many times. You use your gas time. Money drive miles. Folks only find out they are not there. You will not get reimbursed or time wasted. So I did hear in the video that you are required to contact the person. So like I said, this person probably just depending on the app to do all the work. Didn't actually contact the person. Let them know that they have an appointment. You know, appointment could get canceled. They could be sick. They never might want to go that day. So you want to make sure you do your cover all your bases. Call the customer before going and picking up. Contract position. So mostly good reviews, except for that one. You know, great company. So definitely check this out and be on the lookout for more non-emergency medical transport jobs and companies. Once you